What's the meaning of best before date? Best before date. Best before date.
Best before date. Best before date. A best before date is a label on a food or cosmetic product indicating the date by which it is recommended to be consumed or used to ensure the best quality. This date is determined based on a variety of factors, including the nature of the product, how it is processed and packaged, and how it is stored. It is important to note that a best before date is not the same as an expiration date. Rather, it is an estimate of how long a product will retain its freshness, flavor, and nutritional value. After the best before date, the quality of the product may begin to deteriorate, but it is generally still safe to consume.